Introduction. Have you ever wondered if a woman is secretly waiting for you to make a move? The truth is, women have subtle yet powerful ways of showing when they're ready to get closer, but most men miss the signs completely. In this video, we're breaking down the key phrase women use when they want to get intimate, backed by psychology. Pay attention, because once you know this, you'll never be left guessing again. 1. Women communicate interest indirectly. Women often communicate interest indirectly through subtle cues rather than explicit statements. This indirect approach can be influenced by cultural norms, social conditioning, or personal preference. Instead of openly declaring their attraction, women may use body language, eye contact, or playful teasing to convey interest. For example, they might maintain prolonged eye contact, smile frequently, or lightly touch the person they are interested in during a conversation. Additionally, women may engage in active listening, showing genuine curiosity about the other person's thoughts and feelings. They might also mirror body language, subtly aligning their posture and gestures with the person they like. Another common sign of indirect interest is increased communication, such as texting often, initiating conversations, or finding excuses to spend time together. Some women express their attraction through humor or light teasing, creating a comfortable and playful dynamic. Compliments, whether about appearance, intelligence, or achievements, can also indicate interest. However, indirect communication can sometimes lead to misunderstandings, as the signals may not always be clear or consistent. This subtle approach allows women to gauge the other person's reaction before making their feelings more obvious. In some cases, societal expectations play a role, as women may feel pressure to be reserved rather than overt in expressing attraction. While indirect communication can make interactions more exciting and mysterious, it also requires attentiveness and interpretation from both sides. Understanding these subtle cues can help in recognizing genuine interest and fostering meaningful connections. The power of suggestive language. Suggestive language holds immense power in shaping perceptions, influencing decisions, and guiding behavior. It operates subtly, embedding ideas into the subconscious mind, often without the individual realizing it. Advertisers, politicians, and public speakers skillfully use suggestive language to evoke emotions, create associations, and steer people toward desired outcomes. By carefully choosing words that imply rather than directly state, speakers can make their messages more persuasive and impactful. For instance, a restaurant menu that describes a dish as succulent, slow-roasted and infused with aromatic spices is far more enticing than simply stating roast chicken. Similarly, in marketing, phrases like limited time offer or exclusive deal create a sense of urgency, subtly influencing consumer behavior. Suggestive language also plays a crucial role in hypnosis, therapy, and storytelling, where it can reframe perspectives and encourage positive thinking. In legal settings, lawyers strategically use wording to sway juries and judges, demonstrating its impact on decision-making. The power of suggestive language is not limited to spoken words. It extends to written content, where carefully crafted narratives and imagery can evoke strong emotional responses. In everyday life, subtle word choices influence interpersonal relationships, self-perception, and social interactions. A simple shift from saying "I can't" to "I haven't yet" can transform a mindset from defeat to possibility. Understanding and mastering suggestive language can be a valuable tool for communication, persuasion, and motivation, making it a force that shapes thoughts and actions in ways both subtle and profound. 3. Invitations to private or cozy settings. Invitations to private or cozy settings create a warm and intimate atmosphere, fostering deeper connections and meaningful conversations. Unlike large gatherings, these events are designed to provide a sense of comfort and exclusivity, making guests feel valued and special. Whether it is a dinner at a close friend's home, a small book club meeting, or a private celebration, such invitations encourage relaxed interactions and genuine engagement. Hosts often pay close attention to details, curating personalized experiences with soft lighting, comfortable seating, and carefully selected food and drinks. The setting itself plays a crucial role in setting the tone, offering a space where people can open up, share personal stories, and strengthen their relationships. These gatherings are particularly appealing to individuals who prefer quieter, more controlled environments over loud and crowded social events. Invitations to private settings may be extended through personal messages, handwritten notes, or digital invitations, each carrying a sense of thoughtfulness and sincerity. In professional settings, cozy invitations can be used for networking or team bonding, allowing for more productive discussions without the formality of a large conference. Additionally, such gatherings are often used for special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, or even surprise parties, where intimacy enhances the emotional impact of the event. Overall, private and cozy invitations cultivate a sense of closeness, making them a preferred choice for those who appreciate meaningful social interactions in a comfortable and welcoming environment. Physical touch as a verbal cue. Physical touch can serve as a powerful verbal cue, conveying messages that words alone might fail to express. In communication, touch can reinforce verbal messages, add emphasis, or even replace words entirely in certain situations. A pat on the back can signal encouragement, while a firm handshake conveys confidence and respect. In educational settings, a gentle touch on the shoulder may redirect attention, reinforcing instructions non-verbally. In relationships, physical touch, such as a reassuring hug or a comforting hand on the arm, can communicate emotions like support, love, or empathy more effectively than words. Additionally, in professional environments, appropriate physical touch can strengthen team dynamics, demonstrating camaraderie and mutual understanding. However, the impact of touch as a verbal cue depends on cultural norms, personal boundaries, and the context in which it occurs. While some cultures embrace touch as an essential part of communication, others may view it as intrusive or inappropriate. Therefore, it is crucial to be mindful of individual comfort levels and cultural sensitivities when using touch to convey messages. Misinterpretation of touch can lead to discomfort or unintended consequences, highlighting the importance of awareness and consent. Despite these considerations, when used appropriately, physical touch can enhance communication by adding depth, warmth, and authenticity to interactions. It bridges gaps in verbal communication, reinforcing intent and fostering stronger connections between individuals. By understanding the nuances of physical touch as a verbal cue, individuals can use it effectively to complement their spoken words and enhance overall communication. 5. Asking about your relationship. Preferences. When getting to know someone, asking about their relationship preferences is crucial to understanding compatibility and expectations. People have different views on relationships, and discussing these preferences early can prevent misunderstandings and build stronger connections. Some individuals may prefer casual dating, while others seek long-term commitments or marriage. It is also important to discuss values such as monogamy, open relationships, or personal boundaries to ensure both partners are on the same page. Additionally, learning about a person's communication style, emotional needs, and love languages can help foster a deeper connection. For instance, some people express love through words of affirmation, while others prefer acts of service or quality time. Asking open-ended questions like, "What do you look for in a partner?" or "How do you handle conflicts in a relationship?" can provide insight into their expectations and emotional intelligence. Cultural, religious and personal beliefs also play a role in relationship preferences, so respecting each other's perspectives is essential. Moreover, discussing future plans, such as career goals, family aspirations, or lifestyle choices, can help determine long-term compatibility. While it is important to ask these questions, it is equally important to approach the conversation with openness, honesty, and respect. People's preferences may evolve over time, so maintaining ongoing communication in a relationship is beneficial. Ultimately, understanding and aligning relationship preferences with a potential partner can lead to healthier, more fulfilling relationships built on mutual understanding and shared goals. 6. Expressing vulnerability and emotional openness. Expressing vulnerability and emotional openness is essential for building deep and meaningful connections with others. It involves sharing one's true thoughts, feelings, and insecurities without fear of judgment or rejection. While vulnerability may feel uncomfortable, it fosters trust and strengthens relationships by allowing others to see our authentic selves. Emotional openness also encourages empathy, as it invites others to share their experiences and struggles in return. When we openly express our emotions, we create a safe space for honest communication, reducing misunderstandings and emotional distance. However, expressing vulnerability requires courage and self-awareness, as it means acknowledging our fears and weaknesses. It is important to choose the right people and situations when opening up, ensuring that our emotions are met with understanding and support. In personal relationships, vulnerability helps build intimacy, allowing individuals to feel seen and valued. In professional settings, it can enhance teamwork and collaboration, creating an environment where people feel comfortable sharing ideas and seeking help. Despite its benefits, many people struggle with vulnerability due to societal norms that associate emotional openness with weakness. However, true strength lies in the ability to be honest about one's emotions and needs. Overcoming this fear involves practicing self-compassion and understanding that vulnerability is a universal human experience. By embracing emotional openness, individuals can foster deeper relationships, enhance their well-being, and create a more authentic and fulfilling life. Ultimately, expressing vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, but a profound act of strength and connection. 7. Playful challenges or dares. Playful challenges and dares add excitement and spontaneity to social interactions, encouraging creativity, confidence, and bonding among participants. These activities, often light-hearted and humorous, create engaging experiences that break the monotony of routine. Whether among friends, family, or colleagues, challenges and dares foster camaraderie by encouraging individuals to step out of their comfort zones in a fun, non-threatening way. Simple dares like singing in public, trying an unusual food, or performing a silly dance can bring laughter and joy while promoting self-confidence. In educational or professional settings, playful challenges can also be used as icebreakers to build connections and enhance teamwork. However, it is essential to ensure that all dares remain safe, respectful, and enjoyable for everyone involved. Encouraging a spirit of friendly competition, these activities can help individuals develop resilience, adaptability, and social skills. Additionally, playful challenges can strengthen relationships by fostering shared experiences and positive memories. Online trends, such as viral challenge videos, have also made playful dares a popular form of entertainment. Yet, it is crucial to exercise caution and avoid potentially harmful or risky challenges. When approached with a sense of fun and responsibility, playful dares can be a powerful tool for social bonding, personal growth, and entertainment. They remind us of the importance of laughter and lightheartedness in life, proving that sometimes stepping outside our usual boundaries can lead to unforgettable experiences.